In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do Scrum project management in Asana. Let's dive right into it and make your project management process smoother and more effective. First, we need to head over to the Asana website. Open up your browser and type in asana.com. Once there, you'll notice a Login button at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. If you already have an account, this is your gateway to accessing all the robust tools Asana offers for Scrum project management. Now, after clicking Login, you'll see an option to continue with Google. This is the quickest way to log in if your Asana account is linked to your Google profile. Click on that button and choose the Google account associated with your Asana profile. This login option integrates smoothly with your existing tools, keeping your workflow in sync. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the workspace interface. Here, you'll notice a prominent plus icon. Click this icon to begin creating a new project. This is your starting point for setting up a new Scrum project. Next, you'll see a New Project option appear. It's essential to select this to move forward with creating your structured project environment. Once selected, on the next screen, you should opt for a blank project from the choices given at the top. A blank project allows you to tailor the project setup to fit the needs of your Scrum framework without any predefined constraints. Now it's time to give your project a name. Consider naming it something reflective of your current focus or team goal to maintain clarity and purpose throughout the project lifecycle. Once you've settled on a name, type it in. After naming your project, click on the Continue button. This confirms your setup choices and moves you to the next stage of project creation. Here, you will be asked to select your view preferences. For Scrum, you might want to deselect all views except for Board and List. These views are particularly effective for visualizing tasks and workflows in Scrum project management. Finally, you're ready to click Create Project. This establishes your project framework within Asana. Once created, switch your project view over to the Board view. This setup closely resembles a classic Scrum board, allowing you to organize and manage tasks effectively. Now you can begin populating your board with tasks. Add tasks that represent each piece of work required to meet your project goals, and then allocate them to team members as needed. This ensures clarity in roles and responsibilities, and keeps everyone aligned with the overarching objectives. And there you have it. You've now set up your very own Scrum project in Asana. Enjoy the improved structure and clarity this will bring to your project management endeavors. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.